Hello everyone, in this demo we will be showcasing a past example that will help you understand the many cool features of Azure DevOps. We will be using this gaming portal for our demonstration. Let me refresh. You can now see that we have lots of games listed. We will be showing you how you can immediately deploy changes to such a portal with the help of Azure DevOps. The idea is you can come in and you can handle more extensive changes. For now, we will make a small change, changing this logo right here. For that, we will go back to our Azure DevOps and go back to our repos. Here, we will pull back the app service deployment. We are using the Azure App Service to launch this web application, and here we have all the code. To show the change to this, we are going to change with Visual Studio. As part of this preparation, we have this logo file, and then we also have the actual logo file, which is this one, which you just saw on the gaming portal. We are just going to replace this with the other one, and we will rename this first. And now we will change the name of the other one. We want this to be our new logo. And with that, we will check in and commit the code. After this, we will go back to our Team Explorer, and we are going to sync this so that we will push this out. If we go back to our logo file here, we should see our changes. So if we click on this and see history, the change should be visible. We've had the build pipeline and the release pipelines already configured for this, so it should have instigated our build pipeline. We're going to go to the pipelines. In this case, you can see that our build pipeline is running right now. We will open this up. We are going to first show you the different components of this one. If we go back here and we go in and open this one up, we are right now in our pipeline. As you can see, because we are using Azure App Service, there are many pre-built components. There's not much we must do as part of this, so we are using it, and it's ready for your pipelines. Even our code is ready to go. If we go back to our build that we just completed now, we shall showcase to you the different logs. If we go to the release pipeline now, this is our latest release pipeline. So if you go in here, you can see the artifacts that we have, and we can again click on the logs. It will show us that it initialized the job and downloaded the artifact and finalized it. If we come in here and hit refresh, you can see that our logo has changed. This is a lot simpler because of Microsoft technology stack standpoint. We have the Azure App Service deploy, and it's taking care of a lot of the heavy lifting. Again, that's the benefit of using a platform as a service rather than the VM. But we don't have to control any of the variables as this is part of it. Again, an important aspect from that standpoint is that if we go back to the editing pipeline, you should see various artifacts with different jobs. Here, we are using DevOps Azure App Service, a pre-built task available to us to use. We are just configuring all of our settings here. You can see we are giving it a name, Web Apps on Windows, and we can configure all these settings here and get our deployment done. It is a lot easier to handle all that and manage all of your changes if you're using the pre-built artifacts that are available as the platform as a service from the deployment standpoint, but that the repos as a pipeline that we have, they lend themselves not just to the features set to the platform, but also as a service. As we showed you, you can use more complicated deployment models. You can have your Docker Compose files, have all of your configurations, have all your images, and all that can be deployed together by using Azure DevOps. For any questions and for more details, reach out to us at www.alphabold.com.